5 minutes from now, you will have a working skill on your computer, one you run by typing /hello-name and Claude greets you by name. Then, in 2 more minutes, you will open that skill and change it yourself. No code, no setup wizard. You make one ordinary folder, you ask Claude, and then you make it yours. Start the timer. Minute 1. Make a new folder anywhere you like. Your desktop is perfect. Name it my -first skill. That is just an ordinary folder, the kind you make all the time. Now open VS Code, go to the File menu, choose Open Folder, and pick the folder you just made. VS Code opens with that folder in the sidebar on the left, empty for now. No terminal yet, no commands typed. You made a folder and opened it. It works exactly the same on Windows and Mac. Minute 2, the heart of the lesson. Inside VS Code, open the terminal, the View menu, then Terminal. A panel opens along the bottom. Type Claude and press Enter. Claude Code starts up right there inside your folder. Now, you do not build files by hand. You ask, on your cheat sheet, there is one line, word for word. It tells Claude to create the skill and exactly where to put it inside the project skills folder. Paste that line into the terminal, press Enter, and watch. Claude Code makes the folders. Claude Code writes the file. You asked in one sentence, and the tool did the building. Minute 3, look at the sidebar on the left. New folders appeared, .claude, then skills, then hello-name, and inside a file called SKILL.md. Claude built that whole structure for you. Click SKILL.md to open it and read it. About 16 lines, plain English. At the top, between 2 lines of 3 dashes, the front matter, a name, and a description that tells Claude when to use this skill. Below it, the body, a few steps, and a few rules in ordinary sentences. That is a skill, not code, a short file you can read. Minute 4, one thing worth knowing. Claude Code normally notices a new skill the moment it is created, no restart. But this is your very first skill, so the skills folder itself is brand new. It did not exist when you started Claude, so this one time only you restart. In the terminal, type /exit to close Claude, then type Claude again to reopen. From now on, every change shows up live. You will not do this again. Now type /hello-name, a space, and your name. Press Enter. Claude greets you by name, warm, in one friendly line. You just ran your first skill. Minute 5, the part that makes it truly yours. Go back to the skill.md file in VS Code. Find one line in the quality rules, say the one asking for a short greeting, and change it. Make it shorter or change the tone from warm to playful. Pick one line and edit it in plain English the way you would edit any document. Save the file. No restart this time. Go straight back to the terminal and run /hello-name with your name again. The greeting changed. You did that not by asking Claude, but by opening the file, reading it, and changing one line. That is the whole truth of a skill. It is a file you can read and a file you can edit. Look back at what you actually did. You made one folder, you asked Claude in one plain sentence to build a skill, and it did. You opened the file and saw it was 16 readable lines. You ran it. Then you edited a line yourself and ran it again, and it obeyed you. You did not write code. You did not memorize one command. You instructed and you edited. That is the whole craft. The worry was whether you were technical enough. You just answered it. A skill is a short file in plain English. You can ask Claude to write one, and you can open it and change it yourself. You did both. You can do it again for anything. Pin that. Next lesson, what goes inside the body in plain English so your instructions hold up every single time you run them. See you there.